Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best metal potting tables on the market, the FOYUEE metal potting bench with wheels. This potting bench isn't just any garden furniture. It's designed for serious gardeners who need functionality and durability. Let's start with its robust construction. Made from rust-resistant metal, this bench stands at a height of 36 inches, which is perfect for working comfortably without straining your back. The FOYUEE bench features a spacious 36 by 22-inch tabletop, offering ample space for all your gardening essentials: spotting soil, tools, plants, you name it. And check this out, it's equipped with 2 wheels, making it incredibly easy to move around your garden or patio. No more heavy lifting. Assembly is a breeze too. It comes with all the necessary tools and clear instructions, so you'll have this set up in no time. What I love most is its weatherproof design. The special coating ensures it can withstand all seasons without rusting. Just a quick wash or wipe down after use keeps it looking brand new. Notice the raised edges here? They prevent any items from rolling off, perfect for keeping your workspace tidy and organized. Stability is key with any potting bench. This one can support up to 300 pounds, thanks to its thicker metal and solid welding. No wobbling or concerns about durability here. Whether you're repotting plants, starting seedlings, or simply organizing your gardening supplies, the FOYUEE metal potting bench delivers in both function and style. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-move, and durable potting bench, the FOYUEE metal potting bench with wheels is a standout choice. That wraps up our review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!